After much talk about whether Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister Modi are going to have a public debate before the Lok Sabha polls, Rahul Gandhi has given his response upon the invitation. Hello, this is Amina and welcome to Mood Tiranga. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has formally accepted the invitation to a public debate with Prime Minister Modi. However, there is no formal response from Prime Minister Modi yet. This invite for a public debate was sent to Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi by former Supreme Court Judge Madan B. Lokur, former High Court Justice A.P. Shah and senior journalist N. Ram. In this invitation, the trio had invited Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi for a public debate on key issues of the 2024 elections. Through this public debate, the trio believes that citizens would hugely benefit by hearing directly from both the leaders amid the allegations and counter-allegations. Rahul Gandhi in his acceptance letter has said that either he himself or Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge would be pleased to participate in this debate. Rahul Gandhi said that this public debate will help people to understand their respective vision and enable them to make an informed choice. Rahul Gandhi, after accepting the invite, said that details and format of the debate can be discussed if and when Prime Minister Modi agrees to participate in the public debate. At the time of recording this news report, there is no official response from BJP on whether PM Modi will accept the debate invitation with Rahul Gandhi. But the BJP leaders have responded. However, their response is not on the invite, but on Rahul Gandhi's decision to accept the invitation. BJP leaders like Tejasvi Surya, K. Annamalai and Union Minister Smriti Irani have attacked Rahul Gandhi after he accepted the public debate invitation. BJP leader Tejasvi Surya has asked, "Who is Rahul Gandhi that PM Modi should debate with?" Tejasvi said that Rahul Gandhi should first get himself declared Congress's prime ministerial candidate of the India bloc before inviting Prime Minister Modi for a public debate. Similarly, Tamil Nadu BJP President K. Annamalai has targeted Rahul Gandhi. He said, while citing an incident from 2017 where Rahul Gandhi was challenged by Shehzad Poonawalla for a public debate. Then Union Minister Smriti Irani comes into the picture. She has questioned Rahul Gandhi's ability to engage in a public debate with someone of Prime Minister Modi's stature. No BJP leader has yet responded on PM Modi's or their party's stand over this invite for a public debate with Rahul Gandhi. It's just the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi who has openly accepted the invite to a public debate. Rahul Gandhi is all in. But what about PM Modi? Do let us know if at this point BJP leaders should tell their party's decision instead of attacking Rahul Gandhi over his acceptance. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.